Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel 10 Minutes Cloud Learning. And as part of this video, I'll take you through what is versioning with respect to AWS S3 scope and how it helps. As we know, S3 stores objects, and the whole purpose of versioning is to enable multiple variants of an object in the same bucket. So, this will help in recovering objects from accidental deletion or any kind of overwrite. So let's jump into AWS console for a quick demo to understand how AWS manages versioning. So I'm here in my AWS console and I have created a bucket called my S3 bucket here. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to upload a file, and now if you ask me, the versioning is still not enabled here. I have not enabled the versioning over here, but I'll go ahead and upload a file here. So I'll click on add files. I'll choose this Excel file and say upload. So the upload is success, right? So let's see what is the contents of this file, and we'll update this Excel file by adding some more additional content to it. And again we'll re-upload the same file. Okay, so now the contents of this file is, hi, how are you? I'm fine. So I'm just updating this file, okay, with some other text. Let's say I'm fine too, and I'll just save it. I'll close this file and I'll re-upload this the same file again. But now before uploading, I want to make sure that I enable the versioning. So I go to this properties. Under bucket, you have the properties tab. Under properties, you have a section called bucket versioning. You need to edit that and enable this option, the versioning option. Click on save changes. So now the versioning is enabled. So what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to upload the file which I have recently modified. I'll upload this Excel file. I'll say upload. Okay, so the file is uploaded again, right? So we uploaded the same file again by modifying, right? Now the question is, how do I see what was my previous version file? So if you click on this and if you go to versions, you can see here there are two options here. We have this, the latest version is this one, the file which we just uploaded, and the last version is this one, that is the earliest version. So if I click here, it will take me to there, right? And so now if I want to re-upload, I can do so. Let me reopen the same file again. I'll say, where are you from? I'll save it. I'll close this file. I'll re-upload. I'll go to my bucket, upload the file again. So now upload. So now it is uploaded once again, right? So now if I go to the, click on this file link and go to versions tab, I'll see three options. So now the current version is this one, right? So now we have three versions of the same file. In case I want to go back to my earlier version, I have to select this file, and on my right hand side you can see here we have object actions wherein I can download the file also. It's up to me which version I want to refer, accordingly I can select that specific row and I can download. Now the question is why it is showing as null. The first version it is showing as null because when we uploaded the first file, when we uploaded the file for the first time, that time the versioning was not enabled. Okay, so that is the reason why it is showing as null. But afterwards, as versioning was enabled, AWS makes sure that okay, one version is associated with the respective file, right? So I hope you liked the video. So today we spoke about how to use the versioning feature within AWS S3. Please do subscribe or like my video. So thank you.